Hello again, friends. Mail day today. Let's see what we got in the post. This comes from an online auction site, shop, whatever, and it's something useful, I hope, for my future projects anyway. And like usually, well packed. And there we are. Oh, what I'm talking about, these are two laptop power supplies. You see, these guys have a range from 15 volts to 24 volts with around 4 amps, 90 watts. I bought this because I got so many times laptops without a power supply. I have my bench one, of course, and as we can see, it's a strange kind of connector. I'm not sure to what kind of laptop this belongs, but anyway, all I have to do now is to see if they are really working. And for that, I'm gonna supply them with power, with main power, and checking the output. Chisel, screwdriver. Yeah, this one is working, kind of. 18, 15, okay, what about this guy? Come on. Yeah, everything seems fine. Before anything else, let's check for short, and this is perfect. 1.5 mega ohms. Absolutely fine. What about this guy? Perfect. Let's see short at the output. For number one, good to go, kilo ohms. Even more, mega ohms. Okay, seems good. Seems right. We need some load. Just a light load, 2 bulbs in series for 24. Okay, so these two guys are going to the output. Let's start with number 1 and 2. Okay, so I said these are going to the output, just like that. And let's power it on. Cross your fingers. Of course. We are on 15 volts. We should see the voltage rising. 24 there. Okay, let's measure the voltage. 23.6. The highest value, of course, and 15.6. Looking so good. 19 volts. Like most of the laptop power supplies, 19.4. This is perfect, it's working. I'm curious about the amps involved here. Where are you? This one? 376 milliamps, so that's almost nothing. 500. Can we ask for more? Of course we can, but we need a higher load which come in this shape. Okay? Wow! 6.3 amps. Oh man! It's burning the plastic. Yeah, we got 19 volts there. Of course. So, yeah, he's delivering 6 amps, you saw that? So let's go down here at 15 volts. Where are I? Okay, right here. 5.6 amps without a problem. Does it turn off? Okay, it says 4 amps. I don't want to stress it anymore. It's looking like we are good with this one, no doubt. Okay, so number one, it's working and it will be really useful. on my bench. Now let's have number 2. Oh, look at this wire. Oh man, almost got troubles. Let me start with the small load. Oh, good. It's working great. Let's see the current on 24 volts. Oh yeah, same story here, no problemos. Okay, now let's have the big mama like that, and power on. 5.6 volts. Overload something? Oh no, it was a contact, just a contact. Yeah, it's working, no doubt. The wires are kind of warm. This was a short one, of course. Oh, pam, something to fix for today. For now I'm really happy. So now I have 2 of these laptop power supplies, which are absolutely necessary. I really enjoy shopping from this online shop. By the way, I paid €1 for each of these guys. €2 for 2 pieces. Come on, it cost the post like €15. So I got 2 like this with €27. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to push the like button. Thanks to my sponsors. Thanks Jack and Vlad and Radu from Belgium. And until the next one, season greetings. And of course, don't forget, have fun. See you. Bye bye.